in here.
And the bass keeps running, running, and running, running, and running, running, and running, running, and running.
Hello, what's up everybody? Yes, finally we meet again. Okay, so I'm so happy to see you guys. Thank you to all the follower, all the subscriber. So thank you. I hope you guys doing well. Okay, and this video I want to this video is an unboxing for G-Shock model GA2000 Carbon Core, the special edition Bhutan. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the video later. And against the same thing, I want to tell, if you are interested to the watch, you want to buy the watch, okay, you can refer at below the video, have my WhatsApp link, okay. You like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and take a screenshot. You push me, you show me the push, you already did it. So you can get special offer. Okay, so thank you very much. Let's start the video.
Okay, now we do simple review for this Bhutan traditional pattern, innovative of G-Shock, special model. This the outer box. Okay, traditional pattern come from Bhutan iconic pattern, and this the watch box. Later I will open so you guys what inside. I was very exciting. Are you ready? Yes, this the watch. Very nice. So we can see the model number GA2000 BT. BT stand for Bhutan, the short form. Okay, and the watch strap is the watch band. We can see it's very nice. The color, iconic pattern, Bhutan. Material is like nylon. Also, we can call that cloth. Okay, this buckle show us Thailand, and the back cast show us carbon core guard, manufactured, assembled in Thailand. And about the function, we can see have alarm, world time, stopwatch, timer. This model with double LED light. Okay, but I will show you guys the LED light. We can see the light bulb from 5 o'clock, and the digital also with the backlight, so we can see the time, and the watch hand show us the time in darkness press. If we try wear on our wrist, younger look. Okay, so this special edition come from additional watch strap, watch band for us to exchange. Okay, okay, so now we keep back to the watch box, and we continue the video. I got something to tell.
Hello guys. Yes, it's time to say goodbye. Okay, so before I end this video recording, I'm here want to say thank you to those who, thank you for everybody. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you who like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. Okay, so My name is Adrian Bay. So I'm here have a small request. Just a reminder. Okay, small request also. Hope you guys do me a favor. If you think this video is useful, okay, this video maybe you like my video like my unboxing video. Please you can give me like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, and your support is an encourage to me to build my confidence, so I will do the better video in future. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Remember to do me a favor, please help me like, share and subscribe.